power too. Hell yeah. Seats need clean. They've been in here for a minute. Let's see if this old girl will fire off. Don't mind the crack in the screen and shit. Camera's still fucked up, but finally gonna start on the GTP. Drained coolant. Started pulling the supercharger belt off. Getting ready to finish pulling the belt off. Pull the coils off. The mount probably come off. Then start working on pulling the supercharger up off of the intake manifold. Then get the intake off. Yada yada yada, same old nonsense. And then I'll start doing the wheel bearings. Alright, so got the blower out. It's gonna need a lot of cleaning. It's completely nasty. It looks like it's never been touched in its whole life. As you can see, the gunk buildup is disgusting. But this is, the rotors don't look horrible, but they don't look that good. But what really worries me, it looks deeper than what it is. I think a lot of it will just clean out, but let's just hope there's nothing crazy wrong with it. So I'm gonna port all this, port the inlet, port the throttle body, and then that oil stinks too, and put it back together. So everything right there to get her together. So we'll get crack on this tomorrow. Alright, so ported blowers on, torque down, intakes on, cleaned up, torque down. Forgot to get a throttle body gasket, so in the midst of making one, just made a cardboard template, which is all this crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out, get the gasket on, bolt it on, and we'll try and get everything thrown back together and figure out what vacuum lines I need to replace, and we'll try and fire her up. Alright, so these fucking lights. I can't see these lights in this car. So, get everything hooked back up. Got my fucking Cummins intercooler pipe fucking intake back on. I was trying to make something out of all that stuff I got, but nothing matches up. And I mean, if you haven't noticed, seems to be a pretty following trend with my cars. I try and use what I have and not have to buy more stuff. So if I can use some old filters and you know, some crap that I got laying around that's been here for a while, instead of fucking having to buy something new, that's most likely what I'm gonna do. I'd rather do that than have to fork out more money on something I've got laying around somewhere. That's just not me to go spend a bunch of money I don't have to spend on crap. So, but yeah, so battery charger on there. We're gonna see if she'll fire up real quick. Oop, she almost get it. There she be. A little smoky, but she runs. You ready for the shit show?
Go.
Please don't be real bad. Please. Please, 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 just be the footer. Please, just be the footer. Please, just be the footer. Please.
Oh.
Not the footer only. Grade A chocolate milk.